We all want to feel safe, right? But here's the thing, waiting for someone else to keep us safe, that's not always going to cut it. As women, we're often told to be cautious, to not walk alone at night. But why should we have to limit our lives? Learning self-defense isn't about becoming some kind of superhero. It's about taking control, owning your safety, and refusing to be a victim. It's about building confidence that radiates from within. That confidence? It changes how people see you and, more importantly, how you see yourself. It's not about picking fights either. The best fight? The one you avoid altogether. But if trouble does come knocking, you'll have the tools and the mindset to meet it head on. This isn't about being fearless, it's about being prepared. It's about knowing that you have the strength, both physical and mental, to face whatever life throws your way. You don't need to be a muscle-bound powerhouse to learn self-defense. Forget fancy moves or complicated techniques. The most powerful weapon you have is already within you, your voice, your awareness, and your own body. It starts with understanding how your body moves, where your strengths are, and how to use them to your advantage. Think about it. A simple knee to the groin is incredibly effective. A well-placed elbow strike can disable an attacker. Martial arts training can teach you these techniques and so much more. But even without formal training, you can empower yourself. Take a self-defense class, practice striking with a punching bag, walk with purpose, head high, aware of your surroundings. Remember, self-defense is not about strength versus strength. It's about leverage, technique, and most importantly, mindset. You are stronger than you think. Let's talk about some basic self-defense moves that every woman should know. These aren't about being fancy, they're about being effective. First, up palm strikes. Keep your fingers straight and aim for the nose, throat, or eyes. It's a simple move, but it can deliver a powerful blow. Next, the elbow strike. This is one of your strongest weapons. Bend your arm, rotate your body, and strike with your elbow to the chest, jaw, or temple. Don't forget about your legs. A swift knee to the groin is incredibly effective. You can also use your legs to push off an attacker, creating distance and giving you a chance to escape. Remember, practice makes perfect. Even practicing these moves at home can make a difference. Self-defense isn't just about knowing how to fight. It's about being smart and aware of your surroundings. Let's talk about some street smarts. First off, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to cross the street, change directions, or even walk into a store. Your safety is worth more than being polite. Limit distractions. Put your phone away, especially when walking alone at night. Stay aware of who's around you and what's happening. Project confidence. Walk with your head held high, making eye contact with those around you. Attackers often target those who appear vulnerable. And if someone does approach you and makes you feel uncomfortable, don't be afraid to be loud and assertive. Draw attention to yourself. Yell fire or help. The more commotion you make, the less likely an attacker is to stick around. Section 5. Beyond the mat confidence that spills into your life. The benefits of martial arts and self-defense training extend far beyond the mat. Sure, you'll learn how to throw a punch and kick some butt, but the real magic happens on the inside. Self-doubt starts to melt away, replaced by unwavering self-assurance. You walk taller, you speak with conviction, and you no longer shrink back from challenges. This newfound confidence spills into every aspect of your life, from your career to your relationships. You learn to trust yourself, to believe in your abilities, and to stand up for what you believe in. You discover a strength you never knew you had, a resilience that helps you navigate life's ups and downs. The journey of self-defense is about so much more than just physical strength. It's about unleashing the incredible power that lies within you. Section 6. Muscles and meals. Fueling your body for action. When you're training hard and pushing your limits, you need to give your body the right fuel to perform at its best. And let's be real, we're not talking about surviving on energy drinks and protein bars here. Think of food as fuel, and choose foods that are going to give you sustained energy, support muscle growth, and aid in recovery. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Hydration is key. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after training. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and prevent fatigue. Remember, everyone's nutritional needs are different. Don't be afraid to consult with a registered dietitian or sports nutritionist to create a personalized meal plan that aligns with your training goals. Section 7. Injury Insights. Listening to your body's signals. Martial arts training is demanding, and it's important to listen to your body and prioritize injury prevention. Remember, pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Don't try to push through it. Warm up properly before each training session to prepare your muscles and joints for the workout ahead. Similarly, cool down after training to help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. Use proper technique. This is crucial for preventing injuries. If you're unsure about a technique, don't be afraid to ask your instructor for guidance. Rest and recovery are just as important as training. Give your body adequate time to rest and rebuild between workouts. If you do experience an injury, don't ignore it. Seek professional medical attention from a qualified healthcare professional. Section 8. Finding your tribe. The power of community. One of the most amazing things about martial arts and self-defense is the incredible community you become a part of. You'll train alongside strong, supportive women who understand the challenges and triumphs of this journey. These women will become your training partners, your cheerleaders, and your lifelong friends. They'll push you to be your best, pick you up when you stumble, and celebrate your victories alongside you. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and connect with your fellow students. Share your experiences, offer encouragement, and build each other up. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community that empowers you to grow and thrive. Section 9. A journey, not a destination. Embrace the process. Learning self-defense in martial arts is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, a technique to refine, a challenge to overcome. Embrace the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't master a move right away or if you have moments of self-doubt. We all start somewhere. The key is to keep showing up, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge how far you've come and how much you've learned. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Remember, the journey itself is where the real growth happens. So enjoy the ride, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning.